Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change wallpaper filters in iOS 17. So to do this, first thing, we go to our lock screen and click on the lock screen, and after that click on customize and choose lock screen. And here you can choose between different styles like this by just scrolling right or left, and you can use all the available filters. Of course, for every wallpaper there is different filters, so they are not the same for all the wallpapers. That's why you need to check for every wallpaper what are the different available filters after you complete. For example, I will change to like green, and after that click done and click inside it, and as you can see now we changed the color of our wallpaper by just changing the filters in iOS 17. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.